CollegeDoors team is committed to making teachers' life easy with constant technology and operational upgrades as per industry trends. CollegeDoors' three significant pillars of success comprises content, technology and support, which enables teachers to focus solely on teaching and leave the rest to CollegeDoors. CollegeDoors test platform provides end-to-end support to teachers in terms of teaching, testing, and analyzing students' performances for better results. It becomes possible with the help of best-in-class test platform for teachers. CollegeDoors study platform enables teachers in uploading syllabus content for students' ease of access in learning, schedule live classes seamlessly, and provide class notes and more with just a click of a button. CollegeDoors is committed to empowering teachers in building success stories by providing the best and the most convenient technology support.